Abasemagunyeni eNtshona Koloni bathi lehla ngomyinge we-12% izinga lolosuleleko kweliphondo iveki neveki. Kwaye lehla ngomyinge we-8% izinga labantu abangeniswa esibhedlele ngenxa yalentsholongwane.
Positivity, which is a very sensitive sign for us, that has now dropped to about 37%, and that normally is a very sensitive sign when you start coming off a peak of a wave.
Nangona lisehla inani lolosuleleko kodwa kukho inkxalabo ngokwehla kwenani labantu abagonyela lentsholongwane.
With the vaccine apathy that has happened in the country, it is worrisome, especially when the epidemiologists do warn us that there is a fourth wave that upcoming. And therefore, that's why for us as a health, we cannot sit, and also we are appealing to everyone, don't sit down and fold your arms.
Urhulumente weliphondo ugxile ekukhuseleni imisebenzi nanjengoko elindele umsinga wesine.
We're trying to protect our health system through vaccinations, but right now the next stage is we're trying to make sure we're protecting our economy through vaccinations. So vaccinations are now an economic matter.
Kuzothi kangoku eliphondo sele ligonye abantu abangaphaya kwe-1.5 million.